Hello my friends and welcome back to If Only April. I'm April and this is my DIY channel where we do a lot of projects from woodworking, home decor and room makeovers. I mean, you name it. Today we're going to be making a bit of a different video. So a lot of you actually asked me to show you my craft studio and to show me where I usually work and how it happens, so you wanted to see more behind the scenes. So today I'm going to show you my craft office slash studio and yeah, I'm going to show you all what I have and where I store it. Let's do it! So basically, this is my workstation, everything with behind the scenes, if I need to write something or edit something. Over here is just my cute little board. I usually have more scissors here, but my kids somehow stole most of my scissors. I don't know how they do it, but yeah, they do it somehow. So over here I have all these rolls, of paper. You see it's a decorative, what is that? Gift paper. This is gift paper, and then there's some rattan. This is my favorite pencil holder. It's so cute, I love it. And this is actually, I made this one on the channel also at some point. I think I included this, yeah. My organizers, and I have a printer down there, so yeah. So this is pretty much the area where the magic happens. So this is how it usually goes. I usually work on this beautiful, beautiful desk. I actually made this desk a while ago, probably 3 years ago. It was way before I started my YouTube channel, and I absolutely love this desk. It's so functional, we have so many drawers over here. This is a Alex drawer, IKEA hack, and yeah, it just has so much space, and yeah, it usually gets very, very cluttered, but still, I mean, I love it. I love to have the big desk. So, as I mentioned before, this is my wonderful Alex drawer. This is IKEA hack, and I actually have on my website 10 hacks, or maybe even more, hacks, ideas how to hack this Alex drawer. But what I did, I simply replaced the front of this Alex drawer with the wooden board, and I feel that it looks so much more beautiful, right, and unique. So yeah, I absolutely love it. But let's see what is inside. Are you intrigued? Behind me here is that project that I made a couple of weeks ago, but I still didn't find the place for it. So yeah, so this is basically it. Every time I can't find place for something, I just bring it to the office and then it waits here till I find it a place. So yeah, let's get started with this Alex drawer. So this Alex drawer, I love it so much because it's so functional and it can store so much stuff. It's insane. I mean, all these small things, I keep them here. And yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of paint, but this is not even all of it. This is just the bottles that stand upright, and I don't want them to be laying down. But yeah, look at this, so much stuff. So over here I have my, so this is stickers, and the book that I usually use when I need some book projects. So I just rip it off because, well, Sydney Sheldon. I'm sorry, Sydney Sheldon. This is my clay tools, and I really like to work with clay. As you know, I have so many projects with clay. And yeah, so here is some double tape, bunch of stuff, hot glue gun. Over here, as I said, there's paint and everything. Here is the, yeah, some just supplies, small supplies, the hot glue gun sticks and all this stuff. And this is my pens, pencils, and other things that I cannot live without. Also, as you can see, I keep here, I store here the stickers that I give my kids sometimes when they behave very well. Oh, and let's not forget this beautiful backdrop that I also made on the channel last year, and I love it so much because it saves me so much hassle. And when I'm recording the video and my room is not as organized as I would like it to be, I can always put this behind me, and all you see, guys, is the beautiful, beautiful backdrop, but you don't see the mess. Brilliant! I mean, I love it. So yeah, so if you want to make the same one, I have it on my channel, step-by-step tutorial as usual. That's what we usually do here, step-by-step tutorial. So make sure to check that out. So if this area was my workspace, so this is my craft space. And as you can see, I have these two lamps. So this room has two beautiful windows and it brings in such a cool, amazing natural light. But if I need to record something and if I need to make something at night, I usually work here, you know, like, and those lamps, you know, like, I kind of adjust them to the right settings, and I get myself very nice, natural looking but artificial light. And this thing I made like probably also a couple of years ago. It's such a cool thing because I can put my camera over here and it gives me the bird view recording. So yeah, so this is basically my craft station, and I have a nice backdrop, and I also have a video how to make backdrops if you're interested in that video. So I really love the space, you know, like I really love this thing that is so stationed, and I don't have to like worry about bringing the tripod, you know, like or setting it up, because I can just like pop my camera in here, and that's the images that you see when it's just my hands. And over here is the mic. I mean, I should be probably using it more often than I do, but ding ding, ding ding. But yeah, I probably should be using it more often than I do, because sometimes I'm so lazy to like to set up the whole thing. So yeah, mic, I'm gonna be using it more. I'll try it, please. Okay, moving on. So this shelf, it has a bunch of stuff that I use most of the time. So yeah, so this is like my little station with cords and chargers and everything. This is my cameras. They usually have more, and I just got the new edition. Oh my god, do you want to see it? I just got this new Sony Alpha camera, you know, like, and it has a flip screen, which I'm so super pumped about, because this camera doesn't have a flip screen. For me, it's very hard to record, so sometimes when you see my head being cropped, you know why. It's because I didn't have a flip screen before, but now this problem is gonna be fixed, because yes, I got it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I can't wait to try it. So this shelf is a bit less organized than I would like it to be, but basically you can see here a lot of stuff. I mean, the keyboard's not supposed to be here, but well, remember what I told you about all this stuff, you know, like that I don't know where to put? It usually ends up in my office. I mean, this is just like the way of life, you know, the way things are. And here's actually my two piles of books, you know, like, so the left one, this is the books that I'm going to read this year, and this is the books that I already read in the new year. So I'm actually feeling very proud, because as of now, I think I read like 8 books or something, and it's only middle of February. So yeah, I'm doing good progress. You can see over here I have, this is actually my little basket where I keep all the stuff that I need, that needs my attention. So you see, I ordered those beautiful doors and windows, and I'm planning to make a dollhouse for the kids. Down here you see my sewing machine, the iron, tons of paint samples, yeah, because I mean, I love the paint samples. And over here is just like a bunch of other stuff. Oh, so I got this thing, you know, like probably 3 years ago, and I wanted to learn calligraphy, but I never got time, and I never got to it. I think it's about time. I think I should try it. Do you have like actually suggestions, you know, like where is the best way to start writing beautifully? So down on this bottom shelf, you can see a lot of glass jars, you know, like, and vases, and I thrifted them at some point in life, and I got them because of the good shape, and I really want to do something about them. Well, when it's time. And here's a bunch of frames. You see, I also need to find place to hang them, and like some beautiful paintings that I kept. And here's the broken frame that I got from Moscow, and I'm planning to fix it, because look how gorgeous it is. Not this one. I mean, this one is gorgeous too. But this one, look at this. I mean, obviously I need to restore it, but I'm very excited to do this project. Look at this. So basically on this end, you know, like, yeah, so as I said before, there's some frames, you know, like there's some stuff. This is like my box with hanging things, you know, like, so it has like all kind of hangers for pictures and paintings. And yeah, the globe, because I'm collecting the globe. Usually also on this shelf, I dump a lot of things, you know, like that I'm not using. Like if you remember those paintings that I made, you know, like I just like put them here because I don't know where else to put them. So they kind of found a place in the office for now. Also, I have like a bunch of more frames that I also, yes, I need to get on it. And yeah, oh, and the dead plan. Oops, sorry. I just noticed that. That blend. As you can see, I have these beautiful lamps. hanging lamps, and I know it's just like makes me so happy. I mean, they're so cool. And yeah, as we already mentioned, a dead plant, but it's hanging in this beautiful macrame hanging thing that I made. You can also check it on my channel. Okay, and this is the closet. This is the closet where I keep most of the stuff that I don't really use on the regular basis or that can't fit into the small drawers. You know, like it's kind of like the biggest stuff. And there's a lot of goodies and a lot of junk also. I mean, I definitely need to go through that and figure out like what I'm getting rid of. But yeah, let me show you. So as you can see over here, you know, like I have like a lot of hula loops. Wooden like rings, you know, like because I use them for a lot of my projects. And over here it's like a bunch of stuff. I don't even know how to identify it, but it's like raffia and like some cords and yeah, I mean a lot of crazy stuff. And over here I just have some pillowcases because I have a lot of projects, you know, like coming up, you know, like with pillowcases. And if I see something on sale, I usually buy it and I put it in this drawer. And sometimes I forget about it, but I'm trying to do better about it. So yeah, over here is a bunch of stuff that I'm gonna be working on and I'm gonna do projects with. And also in this closet, there's a bunch of craft materials that I'm kind of hiding from my kids because, you know, like I don't want them to get them. So including this gallons of paints. I usually have smaller bottles and I just refill them for my kids, you know, like when they run out of paint. So moving on to this side. This is my beautiful dresser. I'm actually absolutely obsessed with it. I think it's so cool. It fits so many things inside. Let me show you what is inside those drawers. I know you really want to see. So here is like we have like a bunch of stamps, you know, like and bunch of things for scrapbooking because I used to like scrapbooking very much. I don't do it as often now because I'm super busy with making other projects, but maybe one day, right? Over here I have all the clay supplies. You see I have a bunch of clay, bunch of shapes, you know, to cut them. Okay, this is like my little drawer that should be like a bit bigger for the yarns. I guess, you know, like I need to have a bigger drawer for the yarn. Here we have also stamps, you see, because and the heat gun, and then I had like embossing stuff. Oh my god, I was like really into scrapbooking, like very much. So over here I keep all the stuff, you know, like for candle making. So there's like wax, there's like sticks, you know, like for all the stuff. Over here is over here. Oh, this is like my paint drawer. So this drawer also needs a bit of a improvement. So there's like a bunch of paints, different colors, you know, like colorful markers, watercolor paints too. And over here I have everything for epoxy. So you see, if you remember my Christmas project, I made those epoxy trays. And this is epoxy, just unpacked one. And yeah, and hardener. Yeah, so I have a bunch of different stuff. But yeah, this one is when I was making the butterfly pin board. This is a bunch of beads for the crafts and everything. So yeah, so this is my beautiful dresser. Yeah, and well, here's like my most favorite macrame. You can also check out the video how I made it on my channel. And this is something that I got for free from Facebook Marketplace when I was redoing the playroom. And this is actually a Lego table, kind of like a play table. So I wanted to put this into the playroom, but then realized that it's too big, you know, like, and instead I made the desk with drawers, so it's just smaller and fits the space perfectly. But for this one, I have a plan. So when I got it, it didn't have legs, but you know what? I mean, it's not really a big deal to make legs, so I want to make legs and then probably, I don't know, sell it on Facebook. I'll give it to someone. So yeah, that's next project. Yeah, and over here is just my letter shelf where I display some of the cool stuff. Sometimes it gets cluttered too because, you know, like this is the first thing from the door that I have access to. So if I'm running from the kids or if I'm trying to hide something from them, I just like come here and I drop wherever I was like bring it in, you know, like just right here, you know, like, and then I pick it up later. Yeah, a couple of months later. So yeah, so this space I actually cleaned it for you today because usually it gets very, very crafty, you know, like, and I have a bunch of stuff laying around because, as I said before, you know, like, this office space, office studio, you know, like, usually also serves as a kind of dumpster because, yeah, whatever doesn't belong somewhere else in the apartment, it just like comes here and waits its turn, yeah, to be found at home. So what do you think, guys? Do you like my office studio? Because I absolutely love it. I think it's a fabulous space. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you would like to have more of this type of videos, like tours of the rooms and all this stuff. And yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell button to be notified when I'm posting new videos. And I'll see you next week. Bye!
Hello my friends and welcome back to If Only April, my personal... no. Hi friends! So, yeah, but,